Welcome back, everybody. The video you're seeing is from another video that I'm working on. It has to do with the Catalyst Machine Works Norris Superlight build, and they say on their website that you can build this frame and have a quadcopter without a battery that's under 200 grams. So I'm going to try to do that and see what it takes to make that happen. In the meantime, I was trying to assemble this frame, and I found out that it was missing some pieces. You can see on that part of the video I was a little confused about how to put it together, and it turns out it was missing 4 standoffs on there. So I'm turning this video into an exercise to see how Catalyst Machine Works customer support is, and they say on their website that it's very good, so I decided to put that to the test. So I did an inventory of all of the parts that were supplied, and then I went ahead and looked on the website to see what was supposed to be supplied, and it turns out that all it was missing was these 4 aluminum standoffs that take the top plate and space them away from the bottom plate. And you can see everything else in the picture was there. I was pretty careful about it. There's a couple extra washers, but there's nothing else missing. So right here is what I'm talking about. That's the list of items that's supposed to come with. I highlighted the item that was missing right there on the web page. So we'll just go on over to the Catalyst Machine Works website, and there's a contact us box, so I just chose to use that. I tried copying in this whole thing with the highlight, and I didn't think about the fact that it wouldn't copy the highlight. So I ended up just sending them, just telling them which part that I was missing. They didn't ask me or question me, but I actually had the opening of this on video. So I have video to back up that the pieces were not missing, but they didn't ask for any of that. They just sent it back. So I used this form to send them my email, my phone number, all that good stuff. And you can see here that it was like 2 hours later I got a response from them, and then not much later I got a notification that the new parts were in the mail. I received them yesterday being February 2nd, 2018. So I think it was like maybe 3 total elapsed days. I think that's what it works out to. Anyway, I thought it was a good job. I was really happy with their customer support and their willingness to just send it out. So good job, guys at Catalyst Machine Works. I'll be working with you again too. I have 2 frames right now to build of theirs. So check back with me on my videos, and I'm going to build the sub 200 gram Norris frame, and I'm also going to have a America frame that I'm going to build. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to build that one yet, but it's supposed to be a good frame. I'll let you know. I will see you later. Hope to see you in my next videos. Thanks for watching.